extremely powerful immunity booster for all of us and for our families. This is 5 teaspoons of pure cow's ghee, the Desi ghee, 5 teaspoons of extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil, and 5 teaspoons of sesame oil, which is also cold pressed. We simply mix all of this together. Ghee, sesame oil or til oil, coconut oil, and this is turmeric. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of leveled pure organic turmeric, haldi, in this oil. And we're going to mix it up nicely. Till there are no lumps at all. If your haldi has lumps, then please strain it. And we're going to leave this for 30 minutes. This is after the haldi has been soaked for over 30 minutes. I kept it soaked for longer, but you can just keep it also for 30 minutes. And it's turned really nice and yellow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this oil, this entire mix. I had a filter paper with me, but in case you don't have a filter paper, you can simply use a tissue paper, which is a thick tissue paper, or maybe a muslin cloth, whatever you use for straining. And we are going to just let this drip. Wondering what happened to the turmeric oil. This is the turmeric which was left over. We have purposely not pressed it down because that's not the way we want our cold pressed turmeric oil to be extracted. So this is 100% cold pressed organic natural turmeric oil which you have created at home, and the benefits are amazing. They are beyond, you cannot even imagine how many benefits this thing will have, and I will be talking about it. I will be sharing a video soon, and I hope all of you guys can create this at home for your own immunity, for your skin, for your hair, and benefit from the results